So, came across this recipe while watching TV one day and it seemed so simple. Thought we'd actually give it a go, and it has become a family favorite. Friends love it as well, and it's super easy to make. It's actually ridiculously easy to make. You can make it all in one pan, and it can take only up to maybe about 10 minutes the most, as long as you do your prep work in the beginning. And the prep work is basically chopping up the garlic, the parsley. If you have other fresh ingredients, fine, but it's a max of it's a max of about 5 or 6 ingredients, not very many ingredients. So you're good to go. You can make some couscous or maybe some rice, depending on how you like it, or orzo, and that way you have an additional starch with it. And it can be a very warm, comforting food that just kind of stick to your ribs, gives you a hug, and makes you feel like the world is going to be a better place. This is kind of one of those dishes. In this video, we're actually going to show you from start to finish. Put some comments down below with some questions, and we will definitely aim to answer them. So let's get started. First, ingredients. Here is what you need to make this particular dish. You need tomatoes, cherry or grape tomatoes are fine, oregano, dried or fresh, I like to use both, feta cheese, garlic, parsley, stock, and some salt and pepper to taste. I don't use any black pepper, but you can if you like. For stock, you can use either chicken or veggie, up to you, or you can just use some water. You just need some moisture to help melt the cheese a bit and blend all the flavors together. Do you hear that sizzle? That sizzle is gold. That sizzle means that the tomatoes are bursting and charring. You want to cook at high heat, so you get that char right at the beginning when the tomatoes first hit the pan. That snap, crackle, and pop, that's the promise of good cooking. That, I promise you, is flavor. Once the skin of the tomatoes have shown signs of burst or cracks, first ingredient you add is salt. Then you add the garlic. Now once the garlic has browned a little, just a little, add your stock. Let the stock simmer a little. Then you add your dried and or fresh oregano. I like to add both. Ready? Add the feta cheese. Sprinkle fresh parsley to finish the dish. Let it simmer a bit longer, then stop the cooking and plate it.
That's very good. It's so easy to make. That's it. Stop recording.